Okay, everybody, I know it's been a little bit over an hour and a half since I came on to show you how to do cook the dry beans in the quick cooker. That's the cool thing about the quick cooker. You can see that we're about 36 minutes past the time, and that's okay because that just means that your beans are going to keep getting warmed. I've been busy preparing for an event tomorrow, so here we go. Let's go ahead and open these up so that you guys can see. Let's do a little bit of, see? What you would normally do is you would press the button right here to just make sure that all of the steam has been released before you open up your lid. We are good to go. So let's open up and see what we have got. All right, y'all, check this out. Hour and a half, well, actually an hour cooking, but an hour and a half since I've opened up my lid, and these beans are completely done. And look at how the skins are falling off. So tender. So just another added benefit of your quick cooker, that you can make dry beans in an hour. Enjoy.